Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn inline CSS. What is inline CSS and how to apply inline CSS in HTML form. We'll see the session here. Yeah. See, this is the welcome.html form. I'm going to preparing inline CSS. Inline CSS means we are preparing at HTML entities and HTML tags over here on div tag. Within the div tag, the tag of which we are going to preparing like a h1 or h2 and a paragraph tag, table tag, many tags are there. If we are preparing a tag, based on that tag, within the tag we are going to applying like a CSS, like a style sheet code. So called it is inline CSS. Now let's see how it is going to be written the CSS and how the things will be changed while applying the CSS. We'll see. Let's initiate with the h2 tag here. H2. This is heading for form. Okay. This is the h1 tag, h2 tag I have prepared one, and the second one I can use for paragraph. This is content text to be displayed for see plain HTML I have used two tags, that is one is h2 for heading purpose and one is p for paragraph tag for to be present a common text. Let's see how it is in plain HTML. Let's refresh the page. See, this is the heading from form 2 like h2 tag and this is the plain text I have written. Now I am applying for CSS style sheet of inline code for these two. How it is? Now let's see here for h2 within the tag, first tag I'm taking here the cursor, taking a space, style. When I initiated the style typing, my editor is showing that style. Just take a tab within the style. Now see like which is I am giving here color equal to orange, terminate, and as many attributes we can apply here. One is color, like a name value, which is the parameter you are going to use in that particular name, and that attribute name, that value, which value you are going to applying with the colon, help of the colon, you have to write like this. And terminate with this particular attribute, use the semicolon. That's very important. This is a simple way you can apply. And by making alignment of text, like align content that equal to like center. That's it. This is two attributes I have applied for h2 tag. Now let's see here, save it and refresh. See, this is orange, it is moved, and alignment within the text alignment, it is in the center. And now one more p tag where I'm going to applying some other color called like a inline text I'm applying like CSS style, and color would be like a blue, my favorite, terminate and align, or you can change the alignment or you can change the font as your wish. You can try to change font style. See, font size we can take size, it's around 220 px. You has to use like a px, you have to be maintain the size. If you are reduce, you can increase or decrease as your wish. By seeing the output you can do it. Save this and reload the form. See here, this is the content text to be displayed for demo with the blue color and the 20px it is displaying. That's it. That is about to be inline color. I'm changing it to 30. Let's see here, save it and refresh. Is it increased? By having such a CSS to control your font sizes and all in your HTML form. All you have to know how to apply attributes, many attributes, and where to apply By understanding, you can make a dozen of wonders in HTML form by applying the CSS cascading style sheets. I hope you are very simple and easy to understand about to applying inline CSS for your HTML form tags and controls to have a beautification of your page. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.